In order for this campaign to be successful, you're going to have an understanding of what the Fulton County Conviction Integrity Unit is. So I printed up a few statements that I wanted to share with you that should give you some insight into why we're excited about the opportunity to present to them. The mission statement says the Conviction Integrity Unit will conduct collaborative good faith case reviews designed to ensure the integrity of a conviction and remedy wrongful convictions, as well as establish policies and procedures to learn from the errors identified so the criminal justice system is strengthened. So that's the mission statement, but I also wanted to read you the first couple paragraphs of the press release. So it says, the Office of the Fulton County District Attorney is pleased to announce the establishment of the Conviction Integrity Unit. This new unit will re-examine questionable convictions, such as ours, and help guard against future conviction error, which will be a blessing. Mr. Paul Howard, Fulton County District Attorney, believes prosecutors can and should be leading the charge to ensure the public has confidence in the criminal justice system. I'm going to stop there because that's funny, because every federal judge that we've gone in front of has talked about the gross and ridiculous, egregious prosecutorial misconduct that we experienced in our case. So the fact that he wants to reestablish that trust is excellent, and he could start right here. In recent years, DNA exonerations have shown flaws in our system. Mr. Howard is committed to finding any flaws in convictions his office has obtained, correcting those flaws, and preventing them in the future. He then goes on to be quoted to say, as prosecutors, we have a legal obligation and an ethical mandate to protect the innocent by ensuring only the guilty are convicted for the crimes charged. Our responsibility to all citizens further requires us to seek to remedy any wrongful convictions of which we become aware. And so, all that being said, it's our job to make them aware that this was one of those wrongful convictions that they need to overturn. And I'm not the only one who feels this way. Before we get out of here, I wanted to read to you a statement by Atlanta's favorite son, so to speak, Ambassador Andrew Young, Jr. I want to talk about a case that weighs heavy on my heart because I really think he was wrongfully convicted. A Muslim who helped clean up Atlanta's West End. I'm talking about Jamil Al-Amin, A-Trap Brown. I think it's time to rejudge. He's been dying of cancer and has been suffering away from his family in the worst prisons of the nation. Anything you can do, even bring him home to be close to his family and friends. We must stand for justice, but we must never forget mercy. Ambassador Andrew Young.